Hi, in this video, I'll discuss about how we can order our data in ascending order on the basis of two columns. So how we can do our ordering. So let's see, I'm moving on SQL server. First, I will open the SQL server and I will take different data set. In previous video, I covered the sorting on a small data set. In this video, I will cover the sorting on big data sets. So let's see, I'm just clicking on new query. And now here I will write use training. Now run it. So now what you have to do, you need to sort your data in ascending order on the basis of big data sets. So here I'm just writing select star from orders table. So we have multiple data. We have 8,000, 9,000 data into this table. Now what you have to do, you need to show your profit in ascending order. So you need to write here, uh, Control Z. Now here I will write uh, order by, then you have to mention profit and run this. Now you will get profit value, big profit value in minus. This is the smallest value of entire column. Second smallest value is this one. Okay. Now what I will do here, I will take only few columns. Okay. So same thing you can do through the ascending. You can mention here ascending, but it's not mandatory. It is a optional. Now I will take here some filter. So if you want to apply the filter, so you need to write here select, and here I will take star from orders. Now here I will apply the where clause. Here I want to take only those data which is from technology. Product category should be technology. So here product category, let's see the product category. So this is the product category. I need to pick only product category data which is related to technology. So I need to mention here product category. So product category, product and category. So here I'm writing category and you have to mention here square bracket. Okay. Now you need to write here equal to single quote. You have to mention product category name. So here I'm taking technology, and then you have to mention here order by. So here I need to mention order by. You have to write here order by on profit. So I'm just writing profit. Now I will run this command. You will get only those data which is related to technology. So see here, I'm just getting only those data which is related to technology. So entire data is related to technology, and profit value, first smallest profit value is this one. Okay. So this is in ascending order. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.